The cosmic cage. Why we are physically isolated. A reassessment of the Fermi Paradox through the limits of natural science. For decades, we have listened into the deep dark of space. Yet, we have never made contact with extraterrestrial civilizations. The classic question is, where is everyone? Our thesis: space travel is not a technological problem, but a fundamental one. The genesis of matter. Stellar nurseries. Shortly after the Big Bang, the universe consisted almost entirely of hydrogen and helium, with trace amounts of lithium. Rocky planets or molecular configurations capable of supporting life did not exist. Heavier essential elements had to be synthesized over billions of years via nuclear fusion deep within active stars and then ejected by violent supernova explosions into empty space. When empty space became sufficiently saturated with synthesized heavy stellar dust, solid rocky planets could finally condense around stars, laying down the physical baseline for complex organic life to emerge. The exact elemental chemistry required to form rocky planets and life is the exact same cosmic dust that ruined space travel. Space is no longer clean. It is filled with high-velocity kinetic projectiles. To cross light years in reasonable timelines, ships must reach relativistic speeds. But at 10% the speed of light, collision energy grows exponentially, transforming microdust into fatal projectiles. Because energy scales at least quadratically with speed, even minor dust particles strike with the blast yields of modern high-explosive bombs. As vessel speeds rise, the seemingly harmless interstellar medium, ISM, turns into a continuous wall of deadly ammunition. No material known can absorb perpetual bombardment at relativistic speeds. Even ultradense shields constructed from tungsten or multilayered graphene will experience severe microcratering, structural failure, and immediate thermal sublimation. The evidence. This is the kind of mess a star produces when it explodes. The Crab Nebula was formed by a supernova observed in the year 1054. It has been extensively explored for many years. Supernova remnants demonstrate what happens when matter propagates through the interstellar medium at relativistic velocities. Magnetic fields are useless against uncharged matter. Tungsten or graphene shields undergo intense friction heating, causing impact zones to instantly sublimate, vaporize, into high-energy gas. Even if physical shields hold, heavy particle impacts release intense secondary gamma and X-ray radiation, sterilizing inside compartments. If high-speed travel is suicidal, ships must move slowly, for instance at 300 kilometers per second. Shield degradation disappears, but travel time to Alpha Centauri spikes to 4,300 years. This triggers a second physics barrier: degradation. Cosmic ray destruction. High-energy galactic cosmic rays slowly alter materials at the atomic scale over centuries, causing displacement damage that permanently corrupts silicon processing grids and control networks. Atomic microdiffusion. Over thousands of years, distinct semiconductor boundaries blur as dopants migrate. Metallurgical solder joints decay, and crystal whisker growth creates unavoidable electrical short circuits. Nuclear power sources shall stop either due to half-life time of the source or due to mechanical degradation. Outside solar systems, there is not enough light to support photovoltaic cells. The cosmic equation doesn't add up. At high velocities, the kinetic barrier destroys physical structure instantly. Survival requires slowing down. At low velocities, complex components break down long before arrival. Survival requires speeding up. The result. Physics dictates our isolation. We are not separated by technology, but by the fundamental laws of the universe.